IELTS.com presents a new online speaking test simulator. You can try it for free.
Welcome to the speaking part of the IELTS exam. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Luba.
For part 1, you will be asked a couple of questions to know you better. Do you like to go shopping?
Definitely. Who doesn't want to? For me, that's one of the best stress relievers. It makes me feel so much better whenever I buy some new things like shoes or clothes. Honestly, I have this habit to buy impulsively, and I know it's not good, but I just can't help it.
Do you compare prices when you shop?
That depends if money is tight. It's a must for me to compare the prices of the products or the food items that I'm going to buy. However, if I have some extra, I don't really mind the prices. I just buy things without a second thought.
Is it difficult for you to make choices when you shop?
Yes, sometimes, most especially if I buy clothes or shoes. I always have tendencies to become indecisive when I'm already in front of a huge display of shoes or clothes. I don't know, I just can't easily decide on whether to prioritize the design, the color, or the price. That's always a pain in the neck.
Do you think expensive products are always better than cheaper ones?
I believe so because expensive products have the best quality, design, or material. It's no wonder why designer bags like Louis Vuitton, Fendi, and Givenchy, among others, are sought after by a lot of people. Also, for electronic devices, Apple products are well loved simply because of their technology and design. So, no matter how pricey their products are, lots of people still buy as they believe it's better to buy something really expensive that's incredibly durable than buying cheap ones that won't last long.
Do you ever buy things online?
I buy products online all the time. One of the reasons is that the products seem to be cheaper online than they are in the shops. Also, it is so convenient. I can order something and within a few days or sometimes even 24 hours it is delivered to my door. It is a good way to get something that you can't find at the local shops as well.
We are going to give you a topic and we would like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you will have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes if you wish. Describe a useful website. You should say what it is. How often do you visit it? What kind of information does it offer? And explain why you think it is useful.
I will start by pointing out that I was struggling to think of which website to talk about because I'm an internet junkie and spend ages surfing different websites each day. Anyway, I've decided to talk about Facebook. Facebook is a social networking platform. It's a free website that lets you keep in contact with friends or find people you've lost touch with. It's one of the most popular websites worldwide, with millions of users in different countries. I use this social media site almost daily to remain connected with my family, friends, and relatives who live far away from me. It also allows me to stay updated with trending news on health, food, fashion, sports, and lifestyles, among many other things. Now, regarding the matter of why I think it's useful. There are so many features which people can use. An excellent example of this is fundraising, which implies the possibility of raising money directly on your wall's post. So all your friends and subscribers can participate in a good cause just by pressing one button to transfer money.
How has the internet changed social behavior?
Generally, the internet has influenced the social interaction of people in both positive and negative ways. The magnificent effect of the internet on socializing is that one can now easily communicate and make friends with people all over the world without having to step out of home. However, because of this, some people have become somewhat isolated and now spend most of their time online, neglecting real communication with friends and family around them.
What influences can or does the internet have on children/teenagers?
Well, I guess most people immediately think of negative aspects when it comes to the internet's influence on our younger generation. For example, using the internet too much makes them socially isolated, and teenagers in particular seem to spend hours on social network sites. But actually, there are plenty of positive ones as well. The internet's wealth of information can add to the child's store of knowledge, while online games enhance their creativity and imagination.
Do you think parents should control what internet sites their children visit on the internet?
Yes, I think so. Parents should supervise their children, otherwise the children may be addicted to the internet. Many children like surfing the internet and playing computer games, but most of them cannot control themselves. So I think it is the parents' obligation to tell the children about which websites they can visit and how long they can use the internet. In this case, the children don't harm themselves with unhealthy content and don't become addicted to the internet.
What kinds of people don't use the internet?
Well, right off the top of my head, I can only think of older people who are not accustomed to using the internet and people whose jobs are not relevant to the internet. Personally, I think their inability or unwillingness to use the internet will restrict their circle of friends and also make it harder to access information. In some cases, they have to spend countless hours looking for some news they need through printed materials, while they can do it in a matter of seconds with search engines that are available on the internet.
What will be the next big development online?
I'm not an internet or technology expert, but I think the uncommon digital breakthrough could be the popularization of blockchain smart contracts in logistics. Even though blockchain in general remains a questionable technology in terms of usage, I strongly believe that it can enhance the logistics in big corporations and make deliveries faster, human error-free, and more reliable. This would revolutionize our online shopping.
Okay, let's review my speaking report. You can get yours on IELTSync.com. The link to this website can be found in the description. So, yellow underline is a better word choice replacement. Habit of buying is more emphasizes the point of buying impulsively. Green underlines mean I use these words too often. Let's replace buy with purchase. Products can be replaced with brands.
Finally, we will review the general report. You can put this video on pause to see all the details. Also, you can find instructions on how to get additional free materials from our IELTS expert in the pinned to this video comment. Happy IELTS for the exam!